Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing APTY, DPLS, RSHN, ENZC, MJWL, ALYI, BSSP, IMTL, and SNPW. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also, the red subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also, go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers can get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like ENZC at 0.014, ABML at 6 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents, HMBL at 0.027. And after you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code followed by your number. So for US and Canada, it's simply enter 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It won't work. And SMS is the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times, if something hot comes across our desk that we really like and we want to get it out to our subscribers right away, SMS is the format that we use. But the best part is email and SMS. They're both free to sign up. With SMS, unless you're overseas, there could be foreign carrier charges. With that out of the way, let's dive in here and start discussing today's action on the OTC markets. Guys, you know, APTY, RSHN, these have been the two biggest runners of this week. Profit taking was bound to set in. There's no other way, you know, nothing goes up, goes straight up every day. APTY, I mean, we have just had a tremendous run from 0.002 over the last week, you know, to 0.018 yesterday. And, you know, it just stalled. The RSI got up around 100. And when that typically happens, you know, that's a sign that the momentum is failing and, you know, profit taking set in. And we tell everyone along the way, please book profits. You will not go broke taking a profit. And if you trade it accordingly, you could actually build a bigger position than when you started. So let's say, you know, you got in here at you know, a lot of our subscribers, when they got notified, they're in at 0.004. It ran to 0.018. Let's say you take half your position off. You can then, you know, load up with that money, and you would end up with a bigger position than you had before. So, you know, and we say if you miss the rally, you know, if you're not a subscriber, you're a regular reader, wait for the dips. You got this opportunity today, and we'll see what tomorrow may bring. It may even dip further. You know, you got a lot of nervous longs, weak hands. They may panic and see today's price action and start selling at the bell. I don't know. I mean, it's a, you know, I'm not no one's a forecaster. No one can predict where these prices are heading. You just got to, you know, have a plan and trade it accordingly, you know. So, you know, one way, if you want, is throw in limit orders. You know, maybe you throw in one at the low today was 0.0091. You know, if that holds, that's a very good sign. If it doesn't, you know, we could see a further correction, so you could throw in some limit orders at 0.008. But I think most likely, we see a bounce tomorrow. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. That's my opinion. Let's see what happens. But APTY and RSHN, these are two that you definitely want to have in your portfolio. And same here. If you look at the action, the bull market, the run in RSHN started at the beginning of June. We rallied, pulled back, then we rallied, pulled back, and then we rallied, pulled back. So this is what you like to we want to see, a chart that's making higher lows and higher highs. The next support, as I see it, is 0.006. Don't think we'll get down there. But today, if you had read our article that had come out 2 days, actually yesterday, on RSHN for our regular readers, we try to tell our regular readers to not chase. But we know that some, they're not familiar with my videos, or they haven't signed up. They don't understand the way we talk, things we talk about in the ebook. We're not day traders. We don't chase. We're big believers that you got to get in early. Find the momentum before it happens, and then be patient. So I think what happened is a lot of fresh new readers, they see, oh, Insider Financial's out with a new article. They're talking about RSHN. We got to buy. So you get all this flurry of activity, and then the smart money, which is our subscribers, they see this move, and they're in at much lower prices, so they go and they book profits. And this is what you are supposed to do as an investor. It's all about your P&L, and you don't have a win or a profit until you sell. So just because a stock is up 200, 300, 400, 500, 1,000%, it doesn't count until you take some money off the table. And with penny stocks, and if anyone's been doing this a while, for the past few months, that a lot of the former runners, they peaked in February, and they've been selling off ever since. Case in point is ENZC. This is one we told our subscribers about last October. I'm over here, this little symbol, you can type in this little magnifying glass, you can type in any symbol, check out our past coverage, what we've said, and it's all date and time stamped there. So we said ENZC and Bioclonetics, a perfect merger. This was back on October 6th. You scroll back here, October 6th. I mean, it opened at 0.014. This is what we talk about, getting in early, getting in before the crowd. And then you had this run up to almost $1, and then it was just a relentless selling up until June. And if you look at what we've said about ENZC, my colleague Chris Sandberg, who's one of the top biotech analysts on the OTC Markets, he pretty much called the bottom on May 23rd with his article. So, and this is what, signaled that the bottom was in, and then we got this rally from, 10 cents to 30 cents, and, it's pulled back 50%. But Chris is doing a deep dive on ENZC, and this article will be coming out over the weekend. So make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com if you're in ENZC and you want to read what Chris has to say. Definitely want to make sure you go and read what he said back in May. So it's definitely a great piece, and it really sums up the bull case well on ENZC. What else is going on? Oh, MJWL made new highs yesterday. This is another one that we've been talking about for our subscribers on multiple times. This when did this come out? Just this over the weekend. It came out. MJWL taps into fastest growing industry, become next big OTC play. So we are big fans of MJWL, and this is definitely one you want to read up on, and it just made new highs. So definitely exciting times, and this one our subscribers are in around just under a penny. So this has been a 10 bagger. And we think this one has a lot more room to run. So definitely go and check out what we've had to say about MJWL. New coverage out. New article just came out tonight. 4 OTC stocks to keep an eye on: ALYI, BSSSP, IMTL, and SNPW. Definitely going to want to check these out. These are dip plays, but again, this is what happens, and really why you want to get in. At signup.insiderfinancial.com, because these have all run, and our subscribers are already in. So again, regular readers are sort of getting the notifications late to the game. So you're going to want to make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com, this way you don't miss any of these runners. And right now, there are, still plenty of opportunities on the OTC markets. The Fed threw a little cold water on the markets this week. Dow was, closed down 210 points. But again, it was an overreaction. They're not raising rates anytime soon. They're talking about 2023. That's 2 years away. Meanwhile, if there's a crisis, they're cutting rates on a Sunday night. So, none of it makes any sense. So, I think this is just a little excuse by the markets to book some profits. I won't read too much into it. But today, let's see what Friday's action brings. We're going to be posting a lot of stuff over the weekend on insiderfinancial.com. Be looking for our next alerts for our subscribers. So make sure you are signed up with your email and SMS at signup.insiderfinancial.com. And the best part is that it's all free. Want to wish everyone a great trading day, and I'll be coming live to you over the weekend with a new video recapping the week on the OTC markets, going through charts, and telling you a little bit about what I see for the week ahead. Have a great day, everyone, and chat soon. Bye-bye.